Hey, this is Dr. Eric Snow with Snow Holistic Health. And this month we are talking about inflammation and hidden root causes of inflammation. And what we've learned in functional medicine is the biggest net root cause of chronic inflammation is the food that we eat. It's our food choices, the foods that we don't eat. And so our diet is causing most of the inflammation that we deal with. And what you start to learn is most conditions are really secondary to some cause of inflammation. And so when we're talking about holistic health and getting to the root cause of the disease, we really need to make sure that we've done our diligence to understand, is your diet right for you? And so we have talked about how sugar is one of the biggest players, refined carbohydrates, processed foods that cause inflammation. But one thing we haven't talked about is food sensitivities. Now, food sensitivities are definitely a major player. A lot of people go their entire life suffering from different conditions, health problems, and inflammation, and never even realize it could be foods that they are eating. And where this gets confusing is these foods can actually be what's considered a whole food or a healthy food. But what happens is these different foods, because of things like chronic gut inflammation, something called leaky gut syndrome, the different proteins can actually leak through the gut, get into your bloodstream, and then that causes an antibody response. And so now that particular food, when you eat it, triggers an inflammation response from minor, moderate to major. And so people don't even realize it, but the cheese that they could be eating, the wheat that they could be eating, could even be beans, it could be onions, it could be garlic, which is a very healthy thing, could be causing an inflammatory response. And so one of the things that we do after we get a new patient in and we look at your food record, I will actually look to see if you have some type of a food allergy pattern. And one of the best things we can do is we can order a food sensitivity panel, like the ALCAT panel. They do a really good job. They've been around for a long time. We get very good results with their labs. But what we're looking for is we're testing about 150 foods, some different environmental chems and additives that are really common in the American diet. And we're looking to see, do you have an antibody response to these foods? And through the testing, we can see, is this a severe response, moderate, or mild? And then we create a very specific diet that will tremendously drop your inflammation and help your body recover, help your gut recover from this chronic inflammation from your foods. And so you're basically creating a very specific diet for your body and for your immune system. And we have seen so many dramatic and even miraculous results by finding out these culprits. We've had patients that have had seizures. We got the food sensitivities out, the seizures have gone away. We see a lot of people lose a lot of weight. And that's a big thing with weight loss. If you're always getting inflamed from your diet, it's going to be really, really hard to lose weight. We've seen hormone problems recover, definitely chronic fatigue, energy, and just overall well-being. And so that is a very important thing for you to consider when you're trying to optimize your health, get to root causes, and then live a lifestyle that keeps you in prevention so you have a nice quality of life for the long haul. Hey, if you're interested in understanding more about a natural health lifestyle, holistic lifestyle, and you want to become a patient, give our office a call, 327-478-1313, and take advantage this month. We have a great special, first 2 visits, adjustments included for a very nice price of $95 as a new patient. So you can call. October's almost gone, can't believe it. But we look forward to helping you and your family have better health. I'm Dr. Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.